Hi guys! Napanood yung game kahapon. Game between Just Coffee and Chocomucho. Ano masasabi nyo about it? Chocomucho won in 4 sets. The first set was won by Just Coffee. The last 3 were won by Chocomucho. First 6 ng Chocomucho no first set included na Isa Molde. And si Kat Tolentino yung starting opposite. Andun din yung reinforcement nila. On the second set, ang first 6 na ng Chocomucho change. They had Isa Molde, Roy Sobino, and Dinid Manabat. Like all Filipino si Coach Dante. And it worked. It's a good choice since yung reinforcement nila di pa nakakapag-adjust sa system ni Coach Dante. Isa Molde was a game changer. Nag-step up din si Royce Tobino. More than 20 points ang nagawa ni Royce. Isa naman had double digits din. Even the digs ata, double digits si Isa. This game proves tama yung sinabi ni Coach Roger that chemistry is very important to win games. Hopefully, pag pinasok na uli yung reinforcement sa nakakapag-contribute na siya more. Ayun na po guys. Bye!